Okay, YouTube, I'm back with another how-to. At the end of my last video, the cut and sew me frosty hoodie video, if you haven't checked that out, first of all, go check that out. I touched on my new hoodie, which my new hoodie, which I'm wearing right now, the We Major Elegance hoodie. I was gonna present this hoodie to you guys. Now, I had all intentions of making this actual hoodie with you guys in house, but you know, my camera died during the process, so here you go, it's already made. The new We Major Elegance hoodie got the We Major scripture going up on an angle. I got the small We Major script on the right sleeve. I got the DCYLP woven patch on the left sleeve, and also the Pap Chosen on the hood. The hoodie is 80% cotton, 20% polyester, 10-ounce fabric. For the particular heat transfer, I went with another company this time. I went with PW Customs. Heard some things about PW Customs, so I wanted to try them out. What enticed me to go with PW Customs this time is the low cost. So they have no ganging fees, and they also have no shipping or setup fees. So you can get a 12 by 12 design ganged for, I got 10 sheets for a total of $64. But what I did was I threw 3 different designs on the 12 by 12 gang sheet. So here's my 10 pack. This is one sheet right here. So I have, if you guys can see it, I got 2 logos up here, 2 in the middle, and 2 down bottom. So that's a total of, so that's 3 different designs total on 10 pieces of 12 by 12 gang sheet, you know. So I'm gonna get a lot of garments made out of these 10 sheets, and they only cost me $64. So if you want to check out PW Customs, check them out and see if they work for you. Now, since I didn't get to show you guys how I actually pressed up the Elegance hoodie, we're gonna go in my lab and I'm gonna press up the new Me Frosty white logo t-shirt design that I got on this 12 by 12 gang sheet as well. Alright, I also have some actual hat designs too, but I don't have any hats at the moment to press on, so I can't show you guys the hats. I'll probably show you guys the hats at a later date. Feel wise, for the transfer, I mean, it feels just like, you know, all the rest of my transfers. I can't complain. The white is very opaque. Although the way the white looks, the actual hoodie is very comfortable, very soft, nice hoodie. Yeah, so why don't we go up in the lab and bang out this t-shirt, the new Me Frosty t-shirt in navy blue and white. Let's go. Alright, so we're in the lab. I already went and pre-cut out all the designs that's gonna go on the new Me Frosty navy blue tee. This is going to be our left chest logo. See the detail on that M's white. It's a 4x4 logo. So this is the left chest once again. This is our right sleeve logo. The Me Frosty lettering. 2 inches by 3 inches. This is the family logo that goes on the back in between the shoulder blades. Here's our size / care label that goes on the inside, in the back. Here's the small 1x1 M that's gonna go on our left sleeve. So here we go. Let's get to work. Okay, so the heat press is already preheated for 325 degrees, so now we can start our shirt. I like to put the Teflon pillow in to raise it up a little bit, and so we're not actually pressing over the collar and messing up our design. So labels in place. Slide it in. Out. Beautiful. Looks good to me. Let me use the Teflon pillow for this one. Not that I need it, but hot peel. Look at all the detail in that M. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and do the right sleeve. Put that me frosty on it. Teflon pillow. Yeah, we're gonna line it up right with this seam right here. Hot peel. Amazing. There's our right sleeve. That's done. There's our right sleeve. Now, all we have to do is the left sleeve. Same setup, Teflon pillow. Oh, I almost forgot, we gotta put our family in the back too, so 2 more applications. Hot peel. Whew. Even the look at the detail in that thing. Look at that. Yes, I'll definitely use PW Customs again. Definitely. Now let's get this back done. Lay that family logo down. Hot peel. Got that family tree. Got that family tree with the branches and the leaves. It's a beautiful shirt. Didn't take us that long. Not long at all. Not long at all. So here's your final product. You got the 4x4 Mifrasi M on the left chest. You got your 1x1 Mifrasi M on the left sleeve. You got your 2x3 Mifrasi lettering on your right sleeve. And your family tree on the back. Navy blue, 100% cotton tee. And once again, I'm wearing right now the new We Made You Elegance hoodie. Alright, so as always, next time guys, choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Face it, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.